So I was on one of my nature walks, and I came across this beautiful, beautiful garden. This is on a corner of someone's house, and it is just full of so many beautiful plants and flowers. And so I needed to take a video because I did not want anyone to miss this. It's so nice, so beautiful. I probably can imagine their backyard is full of food, because there's even trees, which we're about to see, full of fruit. I saw peaches and apples, and I think I even saw some plums. This is beautiful. Colorado Nature Walks, and this is in Park Hill in Denver. Just a random walk. I randomly ran into this beautiful, beautiful garden. See the fresh fruit, fresh peaches. I mean, this is such an abundantly beautiful and prosperous yard. I had to share.